Okay. Let me check Miss Roque's attendance. Mr. Mendoza and Mr. Clark. So let me repeat again kung paano ba ginagawa. How is financial position statement is made. Ito po. Paano ba yan? So, ayan. All you have to do is to write the title, yung business name, ayan, Romelo Bangko Automotive Repair Shop, statement of financial position, pwede ring balance sheet. Okay, and then assets, unang row, and then divided into two yan. Assets andito sa unang part, and then liabilities and equity sa second part. Okay, next. The assets can be subdivided into two types, which is the current asset and the non-current asset. Ano ulit po yung current assets? Dito natin yan ilalagay. Okay, current assets, ito yan lahat. All current assets are assets that can be converted or can easily be detected its value in a span of 1 year, within 1 year. Okay, katulad nitong cash. Okay, exact amount yan. The most liquid asset is the cash. Second, tools, yung mga small things, yan, maliliit na object. Those are considered also as a current asset. And then prepaid rent. All advance payment are considered asset and is under current asset, classified as current asset. Okay, accounts receivable is also a current asset type. Okay, but kapag merong allowance for bad debts, the amount ng balance for bad debts ay dinededuct kay accounts receivable. Okay, again, allowance for bad debts are accounts that cannot anymore retrieve from the clients or customers. Okay, kaya the allowance for bad debts must be reduced to the accounts receivable. And then you will have a new balance. Deduct natin yung 800 pesos from the 10,000 pesos. Now we have 9,200. Okay. Add lang natin all our current assets. Now we have 288,200 as our current assets. Okay. Now, punta tayo sa non-current. Non-current assets are assets that cannot be converted into cash or cannot detect its value right away in a span of 1 year, above 1 year pa. Okay, katulad nito, yung mga property, mga land or mga houses, ayan po, equipment, machines, mga non-tangible din, intangible assets din are under non-current assets. Katulad ng mga royalty assets, those are mga intangible. Ayan po. And then, accumulated depreciation is a contra asset. It is deducted, okay, from the machinery and equipment asset. Okay po. Kasi it reduces the value of this particular asset. So, yung accumulated depreciation natin ay 3,000 pesos. I-deduct natin from machinery and equipment. Now we have the new amount on our non-current asset. It is 12,000 pesos. add all our assets. Non-current, kasi di ba subdivided into two, current and non-current asset. Pag add natin yan, now we have 30,200. 30,200. I will send this one later sa GC natin. Okay? I will send this one later. Next. Liability and owner's equity. Lagay natin to. Owner's equity. Ayan. Under liabilities, we have two. Ayan. We have two. The notes payable. The notes payable and salaries payable. Okay. These are obligations to other parties that must be completed or fulfilled. Okay, kailangan ma-complete. Payment to other parties. Lahat ng mga payables are obligations. Notes payable and salaries payable. Okay, add those two amounts para meron kang total liabilities. 10,000 pesos. Okay. Dito tayo nag-end nung last time. Arlo Banco Capital, we have 317,000 pesos. Okay, 317,000 pesos. Sige, let me show you ulit the amount. Ayan, di ba? We have the Arlo Banco Capital 317,000. But we are to find kung ano po yung effect ng service income and all the expenses incurred by the business. Okay. Balik ulit natin to the financial statement. Okay. Capital carried over amount 317,000. Okay. 317,000, i-deduct natin. Okay. I-add natin yung ating service income. Okay. And that is shown on the income statement. Let me show you. Wait lang, class ha. Gawa tayo ng income statement. Romel, Nobanco, Automotive, Repair Shop. And then income statement. And then for the month of, anong month to class? Is it September? Oh, January. For the month of January 31, 2020. And then we have the capital. Yan, kompletuhin natin guys. R, Banco, capital, we have ito, 317,000 pesos. Add. Ano yung add natin? Service income. How much is our service income? Sige, punta tayo sa ating trial balance. Ito, 70,000, right? 70,000 pesos. Ayan. So, add natin yan. Yan ang effect on the capital. Add 70,000 pesos. Okay. Add natin yan. Add. And then we have the, we will call this one. Current, capital na lang ulit. Capital, so add lang natin equals 387,000 pesos. Tama? Inad lang natin. Okay, inad lang natin si 317 and 370. Now, kailangan naman natin i-less lahat ng expenses. Okay, yan ang effect again on the capital. Okay. Copy natin lahat to. Susundan nyo, class. Lahat na nakikita nyo na service income, lahat ng revenue ay add to our, is an addition to our capital. Lahat ng expenses, ang effect nito sa capital ay reduction or reduced or nagde-decrease. Okay? Kunin natin lahat to, total natin yan. Okay, equals, sum natin yan. Okay, 96,800, pero ang ilalagay natin ay negative. Lalagay natin negative 96,800 kasi i-reduce natin yan. Okay, so meron na tayong 987, right? 987,000, sige po, paki-compute. 987,000 pesos minus 96,800.
Sir, 290,200.
219?
290,000.
290,000, 200. 290,000, wait. Dapat po mag-balance yung ating ng class. Ayun, 10,000. Okay. 290,200. Correct. Tapos pag ipa-plus na natin to yung ating 10,000 na liabilities, and then we will have a balance amount. Sige, ayusin natin. So, 387. Okay. 6,800. Okay, thank you. So, 900, layo natin. Para makita nyo. 290,800. And then, tataas ko lang plus. Kita nyo pa ba kahit i-minimize ko? I-minimize rather. Iliit ng percent. Ayan siya. Ay, hindi na siya kita. Wait lang po. Ayusin ko lang. Insert. Go down. Ayan. Kailangan sa lakihan. Ayan. So, we have the same amount na 10,000. So, lagay natin dito yung ating capital. New capital na 290,200.
Sir, nalagay niyo po dun sa baba, 800.
Okay. 800. Pero 200, right? 200. Okay. Sige. Thank you. So, lagay natin 200. Ayan. Tama. So, we have the new capital, 290. Cut natin, lipat ko lang to dito. Okay. Ayan. And then, add natin to this equals there. 320,000 yung ating liabilities and owner's equity. They are now balanced. Liabilities. Balance na po yung ating yan. 30,200, same amount. Nakuha niyo po kung ano yung effect ng dalawang accounts kay capital. Ibig sabihin, you will not write the amounts na nakita nyo sa trial balance. Di ba yung amounts natin sa trial balance? Okay, balik ko lang ulit. Okay, yung amount ng capital sa trial balance ay 317,000. Okay, 317,000. Hindi yan ang amount na ilalagay nyo on your financial statement. Okay, ito Diba? As you can see, hindi yan 317. It is because kailangan i-reflect yung amount ng service income, yung revenue yan, at lahat ng expenses. Service income or revenue must be added to the capital and all the expenses must be deducted from the capital. Kaya meron na tayong new amount ng capital na 290,200. Tapos i-add natin yung ating liability account. Ayan, liability amount, na 10,000 to get the 320,000 pesos. Yan lang po. Okay, my question. Okay, thank you, Miss Gabby, sa 290,200. Ayan. Ayan na po. Balance na. Okay. Yun lang yung ating lesson for today. Ano pa? Mayroon ba kayong question? Meron ba kayong particular na problem na nahihirapan? Particular dito na part? Okay. Si-send ko to later. I-arrange ko lang. I-ayos ko lang kasi itong income statement, ayan. Ito, ganyan ha ang income statement. And then add the service income and then i-deduct. Meron tayong new capital. Okay. And then meron tayong final capital. 290,200. Ayan lang po. Meron bang question? Sa Monday is your first summative test. Ganito din, my question. Again, share my new monthly schedule by assistance. New monthly schedule for the month of February. Meron na. Mr. Christian, meron na. February. Memo. Monthly schedule. Meron na. February hanggang March yun. January, February, March. Anong ganun pa rin po? Yung schedule. Ganun pa rin yung schedule na bago lang yung mga Saturday schedule. And yung first Friday, I think. First Friday. Hindi mamumove yung ganito kasi yan, class. Ganito siya ha. Explain ko lang from what I know sa reason kung bakit may class kayo ng Saturday. If na-explain na din ni Miss Gadi,